Oh yeah, I remember.
It's black. It's a tree.
Cruising around in my disco. Oh, you kick your fucking leg behind.
Not everyone drives like you, babe.
Just put a tree down here, wouldn't you? Yes.
Nah,
no, bend, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember when we came up here and you were like, there's a dent, look.
Damn, the hot fucking miss it. We come around the corner and we drifted a little bit longer than we thought we drifted.
Oh, was it there? No, it was there, wasn't it?
Could have been.
Yeah, it was there.
Yeah. It looks different in the daylight.
I thought he was going round me, you fucking can.
You remember that time we come through here Christmas time? There's about 100 people down there. No, that you weren't, because we were on bikes. Yeah. We come through on our bikes, loads of us, about 11 of us there was. We went out cooking and that, and there must have been about 150 people all standing and looking at us, cutting out Christmas trees and stuff. This old lady started bucking out the go at us. And
You're not getting wet yet?
Huh? Well, I might be.
I'm getting
Oh yeah, I'm getting a bit wet.
sea spray coming
Yeah.
from there. Don't quite taste the same.